My house flooded out during the last rain. Help, where do I start? Hey, it's Craig with Anchor Foundation Repair. And the particulars on your home, your drainage, your flooding and water intrusion might certainly be different than what I'm showcasing here in this video, but this is where to certainly start. I love gutters on a home that needs them. I love even more gutter downspout extensions that kick that water or take that water away from the problem area even more. But if you have them, you gotta know where they go and you gotta check them and see if they're free flowing, and you gotta do routine and periodic maintenance on it. The first thing that you can do is come out here. This seems probably pretty common sense, but see if they're jammed up with stuff. You know, this right here, all that will prevent gutters from flowing. So I took a handful and just cleaned it out right here. You want that to sound exactly like that. Now this gutter on the other side of this corner, listen to the difference. It doesn't start sounding hollow until we get right here, which is a good 18 inches above this. So if I clean some of this out, you know, there's gonna be even more leaves, debris, acorn down in this flexible hose. I'm not a big fan of flexible hose, by the way. It's gonna jam up even easier. So aside from just cleaning your gutters and your downspouts and downspout extensions, if you have them, you've got to know where this thing goes. The homeowner on this home has no idea where they are. And at that point, you have to assume it's causing more of a problem than it's there to fix. And so you've got to investigate on your own. You've got to do everything you can to make sure your gutters, outside drainage is performing right. Don't wait until a big rain. Don't wait till you get house or water inside your house to solve this problem. Be on top of it throughout the year and it'll perform much better for you.